name is Tara Wren, and I'm the Director of Education for Mississippi Public Broadcasting, and this is my Teacher Features video. Have you ever left home or the office without your mask? I have, and it's pretty frustrating to have to turn around and go get it. I have a saving grace in my car most of the time, and that's a t-shirt or a shirt or sweater. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mask using one of those items. So I've selected one of my favorite MPB t-shirts to demonstrate with. What you have to do is put the t-shirt over your head. All right, once you have it over your head, you find the sleeves and you stretch them out and you put them to the back, lay them to the back. And then you reach back. Many people will say, oh, it's too hot for that. But winter's coming, and I'll show you how you can take it off. And you pull this part up over your head as if it's a hood. Then you pull the neck part up, which makes your mask. You take your sleeves and you tie it in the back. If they're long sleeves, you can tie it twice, but tie it enough so that everything stays together. Pull your mask up, and there you have it. So if it's too hot for you, you take this part off and just pull it down, or if you like it, you can keep it on, but when you get into your car or outside, you can take that off for some air. It's quick, it's easy, and yes, it's homemade, but it serves its purpose. Be safe.